Hi, I'm Don Hoppert, the Director of Government Relations here at APHA. Thanks for joining me here today. I'm here to spend a few minutes with you talking about the ways you can advocate for public health through APHA. Your voice is important in advocating for the public's health. Leaders in Congress are making decisions every day on issues that affect the public's health. They need you to help them make the right decisions, those that are based on science and that will protect and improve the public's health. Here at APHA, we rely on you, our members, to serve as our advocates, to help us support legislation and other actions that promote health, to fight against efforts that would put the public's health at risk. Every year, APHA looks at what's going on in Congress, in the White House, and at the federal agencies. And we come up with key priorities that we know will be on the agenda. The areas we know we can have a big impact. We create tools that APHA members can use to advocate with their members of Congress. We have talking points, pre-written action alert messages, and many other tools. We have fact sheets and reports. We have sample op-eds and sample letters to the editor. Basically, we make it as easy for you to advocate for the public's health as possible, which is so important. Your voice matters. Our voice matters. Together, we can make sure that public health is heard loud and clear. So how can you help APHA do that? Well, APHA action alerts let you send a message right to your members of Congress on important issues as they're being considered. We'll send you an email letting you know when your voice matters the most. You can also reach out to your legislators while they're back in your community. Every year in late summer and early fall, members of Congress take a break from DC and they come home to talk to their constituents. They're back home because they want to hear from you. Our Speak for Health campaign provides you with tips and tools so you can attend town halls and other speaking events and talk to your legislators about public health. If you can't catch up with your legislators while they're back home, then you can always take your message to them in DC. Say you're in DC for a meeting, for business, or even on vacation. Schedule a meeting with your representative or senators while you're here. We even have information to help you set those meetings up. And we can provide you with a packet of information about our priorities that you can take with you. Don't know where your legislators stand on public health? Well, we can help with that too. We have resources that show you how your members of Congress voted on key public health related legislation. We also provide opportunities to learn more about public health advocacy at APHA's annual meeting. There, advocates will explain how to run a successful advocacy campaign. We'll help you understand the difference between lobbying and educating. You can learn about potential advocacy restrictions in your workplace. We can help you learn to advocate no matter who you are. Thank you for being a public health advocate and for supporting APHA. Together, we can impact policies to improve the public's health. Find out more at apha.org.